Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Good evening. I visited Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, to further brief him about the unfortunate incidents in Kebbi State at the Federal Government College, Birnin Yauri, where a number of bandits overwhelmed the security agencies and abducted a number of pupils, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and the regrettable loss of life by a police officer in the process, and some pupils also, and those who are wounded in the process, and those who are still in the hands of the terror gang, even though some successes have been commendably achieved by the rescue of some pupils and teachers. I explained to him that the security agencies have mobilized and are doing a great job, assisted by the military, the Air Force, the police, civil defense, vigilante, and community leaders. And they are still at it, and they are doing a great job, but we need more support by all Nigerians, and in fact all, to ensure that we give them our maximum cooperation to finish what they have started. President has, as always, expressed sympathy to those innocent persons who are held hostage against their will by terror element, and he condemned the action of all terror groups wherever they are, whether they are bandits, Boko Haram, or any group that is taking away the liberty and freedoms, and in fact lives and livelihoods of others. And he maintained the instruction he has always given to the security agencies to give their maximum best in dealing with those criminal elements. Our stand is, I have made it very clear, this is condemnable. This should not happen, and all people of goodwill, all good people should mobilize to confront evil elements and criminal elements in our society. It's not just a job for the security agencies. We have to support them. We have to mobilize and come. Since I made that statement, which I meant by every stretch of imagination, many groups have come out to demonstrate similar support. And yesterday we have seen mobilization by the Niger State Governor, and I believe we'll see more in the coming days. Nigerians should unite so that we confront criminality. Even yesterday, Fulani leaders in Kebbi State were all visited Government House Kebbi, even though I was not there to receive them, to condemn and to distance themselves from those renegade groups or renegade criminal elements, and to offer to support in whatever the security agencies role the security agencies will want them to play. Okay. On Friday, I spent about 3 hours in the school where I met the very, very courageous parents, and they are appreciative of the effort of the security agencies, particularly the police officers who are providing security in the school, and the principal and staff of the school, and also what other security agencies are still doing in the field. And while offering our sympathies to all those innocent young men and teachers who are being held, they also appreciated that this thing requires unity of purpose by all Nigerians. and that is what will show support to them. Been calling all governors, and even without calling them, they are eager to do it. But this is further a wake-up call to all of us.